exciting and interesting manufacturing businesses. We're at Newquay Airport and we're about to board the plane to go up to Liverpool, where we're going to be attending the International Business Festival and spend the day listening to different speakers and business owners and learning about what's to come in the future of manufacturing.
So we've just arrived in Liverpool and we are here with some colleagues from the Liverpool University and from Liverpool John Moores University at Sensor City, which is in the Knowledge Quarter of Liverpool. And we've just been hearing a lot about the technologies and support available to businesses in the northwest region of England, and how small businesses are working together with the university to access support with technology developments, and also partnering up on industrial challenges, working with larger businesses here in the region as well. Fantastic facilities, great to understand what can help businesses in the manufacturing and engineering sector stay ahead of the curve. We're hearing a lot about the sort of fourth industrial revolution, and we're going to be hearing more about that as our trip continues, particularly tomorrow when we actually get to the International Business Festival and attend the Manufacturing Industries Day.
Darby from Anave Stones, and we're at the business show, and we're really excited today to get out of the Cornish bubble and see what's going on in the wide world outside. Just see how even in an industry where we make fire, which has been with us for millennia, what technology we can apply to that in making our products, improving our products, and bringing our products to market.
Hi, my name's George Ellis from Grosvenor Pumps down in Cornwall. We're a dosing pump and equipment manufacturer, and we're here at the International Business Festival to have a look at some of the innovations. We're really interested in looking at the thinking like an engineer and the manufacturing for the future talks coming up later. As an SME, we realise that we need to change and we need to innovate, and we need help to do that.